Hi. We are saving the task level properties and we are going another task that is a power center task. So this power center task it imports a power center workflow so you can run it as a cloud data integration task. So we are not using this at a real time this power center task. We have to create each and every mapping in again in the IICS. So Power Center XML file we load to IICS, and we cannot do modification at IICS level. So here workflow should have only one session. That is disadvantage of this. And if we are having more than one session, so that did not run the session here. Select the runtime environment and if you want to edit in XML file or go to Power Center, then edit. So and export and you can use it. Okay. More than one session we imported, then it will give as a runtime invalid mapping import and no import log generated error it will give. So, but we do have different utilities are there. Go to we see here. Go to Power Center task. We see this example. So I am opening this only simple one-to-one load. Is there only one session is created for this one? So employees SQE employee table to employee table load. So I do so export object here to default test one. So I already exported, and we see whether it is will how it will work. Okay, and we go to here and upload XML file. Browse the XML file. In the source, we are having that XML file, IACS SRC file. So the name is, you see here, go to source. So I think it is saved in Informatica 10.2 server info SRC files. So this one m underscore test, we are we copy this one and we have to put it in our IICS in source files. Paste here. Okay, I import this one now. M underscore test open and click on OK. So the workflow XML upload failed. Java XML transfer exception unable to evaluate the using this context using this context. So we can take this one. We paste here on SRC file. Another XML file I am pasting. Workflow expression transformation. So we go to upload, browse, XML expression transformation and click on OK. Then it is OK. And we have to parameter, we are not taking any parameters. So Oracle source and target, we have to take Oracle target and Oracle source. So we're having T underscore employees and employees. So source qualifier and expression transformation. So we are having here and we save the information and we go to run. So this is only single session is there, so it will run. So more than one sessions is there, so it will not work. uh, when we are exporting power center uh, mappings, so we only export single sessions for testing here. More than one sessions are there, it will not give. It will give error at runtime. We as invalid mapping import and no import log generated, like that it will give. So this is processed 106 rows. Now we see the target select T underscore employees. So here manager ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sequential transfer is used in the sequence. If you see here the power center task, we know the expression, source qualifier, source definition we are having, that we are generated, and we did here phone number number in the +91 format, and leap year, non-leap year. Okay, those kind of things are seen, mapping done in the Informatica Power Center level. So that is imported, exported from there and imported here, and just we are executing. So we cannot modify this transformation here. We want to modify. If you want to modify anything here, we can't do. We can go to our power center, then there we are modify, and again we export, and again we import here, and we run like this. Rather than we have to create the same workflow here, it's better. Okay, this is about the power center task. Uh, okay, most of the projects are going recreation of the mapping only. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe and like for more Informatica Power Center as well as IICS videos. Thank you. Thank you very much.